Welcome to Protect My Home. So today I'm working on this. From this vent, supply vent, there's a lot of that stuff coming out. And as you see, it's on the bottom, and they say every single vent on the second floor is. So I'm going upstairs to see what's going on. So they have two units, 280% furnace subflow. So let me see, they both seems pretty new. So heat 1, heat 2. This one sits on the bottom with the plastic pan, which I don't like that. This one's got bricks, and he stated that either one of them has been changed, so I don't know. Let me see. So heat 1, heat 2. Let me see what's going on. So when I open that furnace here, this is what I got. This is my second floor. That will be my return, and this will be my supplies. Two returns, I guess. Supplies to the room. So what I see here is this, like a lining here, kind of black, and a possible okay, unit's on. So waiting for the blower. Blower is on. So I get heat here. Okay. So I'm wondering if all of that here was in the coil. So what I did here is I was able to release the coil a little bit, and let's see what I can get a picture here. So I'm not sure if you see that well, but right here the lining is deteriorating right here. So basically that whole box, the insulation is deteriorating, and that's the reason it's giving those small particles. So that whole box, basically, it's got to get replaced because all the lining is deteriorating. Stay tuned for more tips, and yeah, I mean, please subscribe. That was an interesting one, so stay tuned.